What's up, guys? So this is the Summer Deluxe Baby Bather. We really like this. We used it for our daughter for quite a long time, but inevitably eventually you'll need to take the cover off to wash it, and we had quite a lot of trouble doing that, but I've kind of figured out now what's the best way to do that. So in this video we're going to show you how to remove and put back on the cover. Alright, so the first thing you'll want to do to remove the cover is detach the back stand part. So right here there's this little tab you push and then you can easily lift up. Okay, so now once you've detached that, you can lift up to here, and once this is all the way here, you can easily detach the cover from the bottom part of the frame. Okay, so next we're going to want to detach this upper part of the frame from the base. Now, if we look here, you can see that the hole has two notches on the side. So we're going to want to align the frame perpendicular to the base, and then this is going to pull out easily. See how the notches need to align right there. And then same thing over here. Get this perpendicular, and this easily pulls out. Okay, so now we've got the upper frame here, and basically we can fold this again. You can see this frame part is in this groove. So the way to detach this, I've got my thumbs under here, and I'm just going to push like this. And I'm going to do it to both sides at the same time, so that then I can push the frame up, remove the frame from that plastic area. Now we can push up like this. Okay, so once we've got the frame like this, we can just pull both the top part off and this middle part off the frame. Now we've got the cover fully detached, and we can pop this in the washing machine. Okay, so now you've washed your cover. It's been a few hours or maybe a few days, and now it's going to be hard to remember how to put this back. This was the most challenging part for us. So I think the thing to remember is this is the orientation of the frame and the base. So if we put it in, if you put your upper frame in this position, it'll help you see how this cover is supposed to go. So for putting it back, I think it's easiest to put the top part on the top frame first, then fold down and slip in the middle part of the cover here. Okay, now we can just push this way on the top part of the frame, and it should just snap into that groove very easily. Like that. So then next we've just got to attach the upper part of the frame to the base, and remember that this is notched, so we need to get the upper frame perpendicular to the base to slide it in. And now we push the frame this way so that the lower cover slides easily onto that lower part of the frame. And then we push it down, snap it in, and we're done. Alright, so that's how we replace the cover on the Summer Baby Bather. Hope this video helped you. The first time we did it, it was definitely not that easy. I mean, I think we spent like an hour trying to do that. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.